Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. If a plus 1 over b equals b plus 1 over a, then a equals b. These questions look easy, but it broke thousands of mind. Can you prove this? Stay till end because the last step will blow your mind. We will solve this question as, first of all, rearrange the equation a minus b equals 1 over a minus 1 over b. Now take the LCM of this equation. This is equals ab, then b minus a, and a minus b. Now we can write this as a minus b, and if we take minus as common from this, then we have a minus b by ab. Now we will cross multiply this ab into a minus b equals minus into a minus b. Now make this one equation ab into a minus b plus a minus b equals 0. Now take a minus b as common. So remaining will be ab plus 1 equals 0. Now there are two cases. First of all, we will solve case 1. According to case 1, if a minus b equals 0, so this implies that if a minus b equals 0, a equals b. Now the second case, case 2 is ab plus 1 equals 0, which implies that ab equals minus 1. So the product of two numbers is negative when any one number is negative, but we know that a, b are positive, so this case will not valid. Not valid, and only this will be the proof. So if a plus 1 over b equals b plus 1 over a, then a equals b. We have proved this in very easy and simple way. If this trick shocked your mind, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting question. Stay tuned. Best of luck for your exams.